For women going through a breakup. Breakups are tough. Many powerful feelings and confusion come with a breakup. Remind yourself that you are not the first or last to experience a breakup. Here are easy, straightforward steps to help get through the process. Number 1. Allow yourself to be sad. It's not easy going through a breakup. Normal reactions would be feeling sad, angry, or confused. These feelings are all part of the process to get better. Let yourself feel them all. You can cry if you want to. Tears can sometimes help in feeling better. Expressing your emotions is an important step toward healing. Writing down your feelings will help. When you begin to write down your thoughts, you start to see them better. Journaling gives you a clear view of your emotions while following your progress over time. It's like talking to a friend who listens without judgment. It's normal to feel sad when a relationship breaks up. Losing something dear can be really painful. The same is true when it comes to a breakup. You shared good times and maybe even future plans together. It's all right if you miss them and what you had. Grieving does not make you weak. It shows how much you can love and care. If you allow yourself to grieve, then you respect your feelings and the time you had in the relationship. It's a way to acknowledge that the relationship meant a lot to you. Don't rush this process. Healing will take time. Some days will hurt more than others, and that's okay. Be kind to yourself. Stay near loved ones who care about you. Share what you're experiencing with them. They will understand and make you feel a little better. Take care of your body. Eat healthy foods, exercise, and sleep a little more. Your body will need the strength to assist in healing your heart. After a while, the ache will get smaller. You'll start feeling better and smile once more. Right now, permit yourself to be sad, but that's the first stage in healing and finding peace over a breakup. You're tough, and you will move forward. Number 2. Steer clear of your ex. It feels terrible to go through a breakup. That's hard, but there are things you can do to get through it. One very important step is not to call or text your ex, and you should also not check their social media. This can be pretty tough at first, but time for yourself is very important to get better. When you end a relationship, your emotions are so strong and confusing. You may feel sad, angry, or even relieved. It is normal to be curious about what your ex is doing, but constantly looking at their social media can make it harder to move on. The feelings come back with seeing their posts or pictures. Take a break. Thinking about yourself will help you focus on your healing. Find the time to regain and make yourself stronger instead of always thinking about the relationship. Learn who you are with its end. Go back to things you like doing. Try out new hobbies that could excite you. Distance does not mean you are weak or that you do not care. It means you're allowing yourself to heal. Healing takes time, and everyone's journey is different. By staying away from your ex, you are giving yourself the chance to see things clearly. You can think about the relationship without strong emotions now. He is healing, but this takes up some time, and sometimes you are sad or feel lonely. Hold on positively to your friends and begin every new day. The more you consider your needs and what gives you that sense of joy, you will find moving on easy to dawn on your heart each new day, and peace and happiness are obtained when you take a little space away from them, so out is the first step. Number 3, rediscover yourself. It feels really tough going through a breakup, but it's also an opportunity to learn about you. Use this chance to reconnect with things that make you happy. Whatever it is that you enjoy to do, such as painting, going on a hike, cooking, etc., do them. Trying new activities can be fun. You could try yoga or join a book club. This is your chance to find out who you are outside of the relationship. When you're in a partnership, it's easy to lose sight of your individual interests. Now is the perfect moment to reclaim them. Enjoy the freedom to explore and experiment without compromise. By investing in yourself, you'll build confidence and find fulfillment in your own passions. Number 4. Make new goals. Breakups can feel very hard and confusing. It's a time when feelings are strong, and it can be difficult to find motivation. Setting new goals, no matter how small they are, can really help you feel better each day. For example, you can start a new exercise program in the belief that you are getting stronger and healthier. A simple short walk or some stretches in yoga can raise your mood and energize you. Consider learning something new. It could be a language, a craft, or a cooking technique you've always wanted to try. The process of learning keeps your mind engaged and distracted from negative thoughts. Planning a trip, even a weekend getaway, can leave you excited again. Any of these goals, no matter how big or how small, related to fitness, learning something new, or traveling, gives you a good reason to think. Reaching such goals, even the simplest ones, makes you feel better and shows you the strength of your own power. The proper focus is not to give one big, tough job, but to take small steps forward, step by day. Number 5. Practice self-compassion. Breakups are not easy at any age. Just be nice to yourself and your emotions. Do not try to pin everything on yourself or be too harsh with your emotions. Healing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. Some days are good and some days are tough, but that's okay. You'd want to stand up for a friend who's having a hard time. Be kind to yourself as well. Number 6. Reflect on relationship. When you are ready for it, reflection on what the relationship was may help get you over a breakup. Think through the good times and the bad times while you were together. Reflect on any lessons you learned about either yourself or relationships. Such reflection brings you an important understanding of how you need, want, and limit yourself. This gives you a chance to see how you have evolved with the relationship, even though the relationship itself has run its course. Sometimes understanding why things just did not work gives you the opportunity to control your future relationships a bit better. Be kind to yourself. It is not a fault find or some revisiting of what could have been or might have been, but more learning and liberation. Think of how writing or speaking to a good friend and therapist may help one reflect on his own thoughts. Gazing through the relationship will help in growth as well as the learning process for tomorrow and the future, where love will happen. Every relationship, every time teaches us something more regarding what we want in life, or what is yet to be discovered about ourselves. Take this opportunity to learn and grow, knowing that it is all part of learning how to become the best version of yourself. Number 7. Believe in new beginnings. It can be really hard to go through a breakup, but it is really a chance for a new beginning. It is normal to feel sad, but remember, this is not the end of your story. Believe that new chances are waiting for you. You have the strength to find happiness and love again when you are ready. Think of all the good things that you have in your life and all the dreams you would love to pursue. Create a better future little by little, day by day. Your journey is all about getting better and stronger. Believe that better days are coming, full of chances and new ways to find happiness. Of course, breakup is never easy, but you have the strength to overcome it. Goodbye, ladies. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to get all our updates on you. See you next time. Bye.